Alright. You know, I was about to make it a long video, but whatever. These are the scores I got right here. I have
So
Fortnite toy, which I don't want, which is so useless, stupid.
I mean, like, I want to see what it is.
Look at him. And some food. Okay, I was about to... Never mind. Look at him. Place it here.
And so is he.
He's just black. Wait a minute.
What does it mean?
Oh, it's not balancing. Oh.
Maybe you couldn't balance it. Maybe you can leave it up to me.
Open this car's one direction. Do you go? I thought I had a knock truck for a second, but it was actually a back of a.
Are these the actual names?
Yes, they are.
I thought they would call this entire car trip.
No, you don't.
Never mind.
Stand! Ow, my foot.
Daryl, I'm as strong as
a Hulk. Ooh, look at the shine of Thailand.
You could open Brian's Park. Oh wait, you're on it. And another one, I think.
Wait. Oh, it's the look. My eyes changed series.
Yeah, and then something stupid happened in the back. That's what happened to Piston Cup Productions. LOL.
Open it for me.
I did it.
Please.
You're too close to the camera, you know.
Oh.
Jeez. Let me try.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's tied. The camera has been camera napped. Look, see? It's been tied. It's been tied. Oh, we really need help.
We can't open it filming it at the same time. Oh,
Did it? Right,
you got him?
Oh my
god.
Wow,
This Tim Rimmer. Wow.
Stop being a baby.
I'm not a baby. Stop it.
What? It's a joke. The joke that made
Just pull.
Oh no, there's still something tied to it, Daniel.
Okay.
Dummy. Oh wait.
Sorry about the info. Next week, Kyo calling me the wrong name, which I'm not supposed to be called, which is not.
You should call yourself a nickname. Maybe that will be your pretend nickname.
Wherever. Well, listen.
Wait, are we filming this?
Yes, we are. Next little Caillou. I think you're the worst partner I've ever met.
I think you're the worst partner because you haven't partnered up in one of my videos yet.
I was partnering.
That was in the first video, but now I've changed.
Never in mind. But whatever.
What's the language?
I'll just unbox this while my next little Caillou will take
Done it.
Oh.
I think I know how it puts on.
Put it on while I try to open this. I finally got him. Yes, baby! Whatever. My foot. I'm bad at unboxing. Just put it here. Whoa! What is that?
Done this.
Wow. Take a look at Tim Rimmer. Well, if you're watching this right now, take a look at him.
Let me just.
Look at him.
His mouth is weird.
At him, and then you see the launcher.
Babe?
And the car with it. Place all these cars.
Oh my god, that's a lot of cash.
Look how much cars this is. These are not my Christmas cars. They're just here at the track. Maybe for the episode 9 of Car Series, but whatever. Look here. Wow.
You haven't forgot about mine. I have some cars too.
Show it. In front of me.
First is this.
Please let me. That's all I wanted.
You didn't ask.
Put it here.
Oh my god, don't break it.
I'm not gonna break.
And the most brilliant success.
Wow. Wow. Oh yeah, if you.
Double wow.
Oh, wow. Wow. That's my grandparents. Thanks.
Actually, they were from mine.
This was from it's a Poland. You know, I got this from Poland, but I never unboxed it because I have to eat new food or something like that. But
Here
then,
comes the rare thing. Do not. I told you not to pick it up.
Sorry.
Only touches tires. It's.
Ah.
It's metallic.
Yeah, is it on? Okay, just put him here.
Make sure you're.
Metallic Jonas, Ernesto. You remember how I got Ernesto video, right? If you were wondering how, where, you know, I got it from Asda, but you never see my Ernesto on screens for a few months at all. Here, it was saved for a Christmas present.
Even though it's mine.
Whatever, next to Kaya. But listen.
Stop being so rude, or I'll bring Shadow here.
Shadow.
Yeah.
Look at him. Oh yeah, Kurt. That's all my Christmas presents.
And mine.
Don't even think about interrupting me again.
Finish your sentence.
But I'm still recording. So let's just see. Take a look. Kurt appears.
Where did this tower come from?
You're serious.
Huh. I like these.
Wait a minute. There's more. You said to open this bag?
I'm stuck.
Oh, another present.
Top secret. Even though I'm hidden. Just take this.
Top secret? What is it? Is it a
Can
book?
I open it for you? Because I think it was from me or my
dad
mom.
thinks I will cry, but look at his face when I don't.
It's a DVD. I'm pretty sure it's a DVD.
I think it's the Cosmo full screen. I
Hold
heard.
on. It's something different.
Yeah.
It's Art-Man.
Oh.
Hey, I know this.
It's
Creature Sports.
Just gonna place it here. Useless. The other one. Oh, it's bigger than I thought.
It's a set. It's a set of DVDs. I know it's a DVD because I can feel it in my jellies.
I know.
Unless it's Jonas.
Paunchy. What, Pat?
Oh, see?
So
Jonas.
that's. Oh, so this is why they are not hit.
Brilliant success.
Yay! I got those guys. Yay! That is more press. Yay! My one of my favorite next gens.
Hey, did you notice we have both a metallic and a normal one because we found the metallic one first, but we tried to find the first one, this thing.
Okay, I have an Among Us egg. Ha ha ha. Bad daughter looks like. So this is why I have been looking for these. Metallic Jonas is now belonging. Now this is now property of next to Caillou.
Yeah, because we have your own.
Ooh, that was a bit slippery. Oh, look at him now.
Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
Keep my second.
7. Oh my gosh! I calculated how much Cosmo racers I need. 7 cars with 1 racers. 7 cars, 1 racers to go.
The first crew chief of yours, that is from part 1.
What is this? Grab it for me next turn.
Oh, this is a set. Because I think
It's a Among Us t-shirt.
Yeah.
Oh! A cotted Bill Revs. That's nice.
Yeah, it magically went into the bag. LOL.
Secret present underneath a bag. Are you being serious?
What? You try to rip it once you got it.
Okay.
Like what happens when I cannot get a shiny Eevee. Even though I got one.
Eevees suck.
I know, but the shiny one is better than the normal one.
Ooh, look at him. Ooh, shining. Oh, let me just do.
We don't have Mrs. the King to compare them.
Yeah, nice. So similar to Mrs. the King, but I don't have the toy.
Yes,
Look at all these Christmas toys. Oh, it's not it's not the end yet. Let's see. It's not over before I open present.
Green Day recall.
Oh my gosh.
Especially for you, since you love Among Us. Wait, why didn't I get anything Among Us? I play Among Us and I've been imposter 30 times in a row.
Look at this.
I think.
Look at this. Look at this. Everything I want for Among Us. Wow. I think that's it for the video. Thank you for so much. You know, I have chocolate things. Okay. Thank you for so much for this video. Oh my gosh. This is Marcus Kids Racing 26 signing off.
With me.
Yep, with special guest Nick Kaya. Bye.